Trends, trends, trends. We all love a good trend in trading since they are some of the easiest market conditions to trade. The problem is, a lot of trend following tools just show you whether the market is in an uptrend or in a downtrend, which is great, but really the insights end there. Imagine a trend system where you knew where the market was trending the heaviest as well as detecting ranges so you can avoid the chop. So that's why we, at Chart Prime, created the trend classifier. Once loaded on your chart, firstly, you will notice blue and red bands on the chart. Of course, blue suggests there is an uptrend and red suggests there is a downtrend. For example, here we see the market start to rise and our candles turn blue and the band also turns blue. We then see a strong upwards market rally. The interesting thing about this indicator, however, are the bands themselves. They help us categorize the market into simple phases, and this is where our numbering system comes in. When we are closer to the inner band, we see the number 1 being produced. This suggests a weaker trend or a trend that is just starting and prepares us for the upcoming market. A 2 suggests the market is really starting to kick into the next gear, and a 3 suggests the market is really starting to trend heavily and has totally escaped the bands, showing there is a huge buying or selling pressure. Take this trend for example. We see the number 1 appearing next to our candles, suggesting we should consider entering a position. We then see a 2 suggesting we should add to our position, and then a bunch of 3s are produced, meaning we are in the big money. You will have also noticed the orange candles. These help highlight areas of ranges where the market is not trending. For example, here we see orange candles, which are warning us of a ranging phase, but serve more as a get ready transition stage for the market. Notice how we turn from blue to orange to red, which highlights the bulls ran out of steam, consolidated shortly, and then the bears kicked in. We also have a convenient dashboard in the top right corner showing the bull versus bear strength in the market. For Chart Prime Pro users, you of course have our prime ranges, which can help you follow trends and see areas in the market that are likely to experience bounces. Red bands help you see downtrends, and green bands show clear upwards trends, also giving you preferable and powerful support resistance zones. But back to our indicator here. For traders that prefer shorter term trend identification, the length setting can be reduced, and for swing traders, this setting can be increased, making the moves even smoother for identification. Using trend trading is one of the most powerful ways to view a market, but also adding in a degree of strength into this adds a valuable insight and gives you an edge when compared to other tools such as the super trend. So if you want this indicator 100% free, search for Trend Classifier and use this one by Chart Prime. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and join our Discord.